Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet and today I'll be teaching you how I take care of my hair in mini twists. So I've had these for a couple of days because I'm only leaving them in for about a week because I have to do my hair next week. But yeah, I just thought maybe I should teach you all how I've been able to manage my hair in mini twists, because one of the cons of wearing your hair in mini twists is that your ends tend to form a lot of single strand knots depending on how small your twists are. So this method I'm going to teach you will help keep your ends stretched and smooth and single strand knot free. So usually the first thing I do is fill up my spray bottle with either aloe vera juice or with water. Whatever you have works fine. So make sure you have your spray bottle first, and then I'm gonna be using my leave-in conditioner by Equibotanics. This is a really good leave-in conditioner, and also coupling it with the black seed hair serum, which is also by Equibotanics. So this is a power-packed hair oil, like hair growth oil. So I really recommend this. Alright, so I'm going to take off my hair accessory. I do have a video on different ways you can style your mini twists, which might be up before this one or after this one. I'm not sure yet, but I will have a video on different ways that you can style your mini twists. Alright, so to begin with, I'm just going to mist my hair, length of my hair, very lightly. Yep, that's okay. And then alright, and then yeah, so once I'm okay with it, I am just take about this much. This much is more than enough. So I'm just gonna rub my hands together like so, and then I start from the ends always. And as I am moisturizing, I am stretching my twists. Moisturizing and stretching my twists. This is key. Make sure that you are not rubbing your twists together. Make sure they're fully stretched and tangle free. So as I'm doing this thumb is like going through each twist, the ends of each twist, and then once you're done, you do the praying hands method. Okay? So I'm going to divide my hair into two. I'm supposed to have done this first, but divide your hair into two first. And then you have this section, and then you have this one. Alright, so we've done this one already. And then you take more and go over this section. Can you see? So just go over, stretching the ends as you move. And then pick up anyone that's remaining and then do the same. And then once you're through, you smooth it in, okay? Alright, so we've done that for both ends, and you can already see the effect of it. Alright, now a last bit. Take a little bit more, and this one goes all over your hair. So you just go like so. Like so. And you just massage it in. make sure you get your nape and your edges So I have edge control on my edges right now, but make sure you get your edges. Yeah, make sure you get your edges. All right, so once that's all absorbed in, we go in with our power packed highly concentrated hair growth oil, and you take a few pumps. About 4 pumps is fine. So this is 2, 3, 4, let's go for 5 5, 6 I like to be extra, so 6 pumps, and this is more than enough. See how much it spreads? So I'm gonna rake it through my hair like so, always focusing on the ends, always focusing on the ends. So we're gonna do that. Just follow me. And then get some pumps again for the right side. And this smells amazing. Like, it smells like a stroke of lavender slash citronella. So I'm just gonna put that all over my strands as well, making sure to massage it in. So if you have a scalp massager, you can go ahead to massage your scalp, or any type of massager that you have, that is. Well, a scalp massager. But you could go ahead to massage your scalp. I'm just gonna take a few seconds to do mine. And then that's it for moisturizing. So you can repeat this step every day, or every couple of days. It really depends. If you're using the same products that I am, you'll find that you actually don't need to repeat this every day, because this product helps keep your hair moisturized for longer. And yeah, so that's that. For my nighttime routine, I do this as well, but then I put my hair in a low bun. So I'm just gonna show you that really quickly. So just get everything, gather everything like so. And then I wrap it. And then I take a bobby pin and then pin it down. And then I can wear either my satin bonnet or my scarf, my satin scarf. So any silk or satin scarf will do, and that's it. Your hair will stay moisturized, your mini twist will stay shiny and vibrant and healthy. And that's the whole point of the protective style, to make sure that your hair keeps growing while it's in it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know how you do take care of your hair in mini twist, if you've ever worn mini twist, and if you have some extra tips, let us know in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video again. Don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. God loves you and God bless you. Take care. Bye. Bye. I do have a video on beauty.